I'm Charlotte Braungardt, an environmental scientist and member of the Marine Institute at the University of Plymouth. I've been leading the science programme of the DARWIN200 UK voyage around the British Isles aboard the tall ship Pelican of London. I've been working with the young scientists on many different projects, including wind power, micro and macroplastics, the water quality and sea surface temperature, plankton studies, as well as marine mammal, seabird and underwater surveys. The DARWIN200 UK voyage provided a snapshot in time and insights into the marine food web, into the biodiversity and zonation of the wildlife, into energy production and sustainability. Some serious issues arose. For example, the water quality continues to be impaired by nitrate concentrations around the British Isles, and microplastics are present in all of the coastal waters that we've surveyed. But there are also very positive things to note. For example, there was very little floating marine litter in the north of the British Isles. And the bluefin tuna seems to make a reappearance in our coastal waters. Most inspiring of all, the young people really engaged with the environment that surrounded them, as we discussed the importance of basing personal choices on facts and data. And I am hopeful that this will be the generation who will develop and implement the solutions to the environmental challenges that this planet faces. One of my personal research interests is marine water quality, and while I have been on research vessels throughout Europe, I have never had the opportunity to study the northern coastal waters of Britain before. The nutrient status of coastal waters is important for both assessing primary productivity at the base of the food web and also the potential for eutrophication and the development of harmful algal blooms. On this voyage, I had the pleasure to train the young scientists in taking basic oceanographic parameters, understanding quality control, taking water samples and analysing the concentrations of nitrates and phosphates in the water. We saw such a great variety of wildlife while voyaging around the British Isles, and we never ceased to get excited about a pod of dolphins, riding the bow wave, or gannets feeding for fish. And through sailing and encountering the wildlife, we connected deeply with the marine environment and developed a passion for its conservation. This was also a voyage of personal development, and hopefully, with the over 25 short films we have produced, we will be able to engage the wider public with this project. If you feel inspired by the ocean, by sailing and by marine science, visit the DARWIN200 UK Voyage pages. Check out the courses that we run for undergraduate and postgraduate study in the Faculty of Science and Engineering at the University of Plymouth. And these include a wide range of options, including environmental science, environmental management and sustainability, environmental consultancy, marine engineering, marine biology, marine ecology and conservation.